Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I have a very awesome news for you all, and you are absolutely gonna love it. As you know, we all use Character.AI in our day-to-day lives to chat with our AI characters. It's pretty fun. But the problem is, I get really sad when I encounter the filters on Character.AI. It's really very sad to see. So that's why I recently found a very awesome Character.AI alternative while I was surfing the internet. And this Character.AI alternative is completely free to use and has no filters on it too. Yeah, this platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform and a lot of people loves it. I made a whole video about it previously and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your roleplays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? Now the latest update is that StoryChat has just now released a new update on their platform. And this new feature is literally crazy. Yeah, basically, StoryChat has just now released voices on their platform. And with this new feature, your AI characters will be able to speak while role-playing with you. I am not joking. Let me show you how you can use this new feature with your characters. So first of all, you need to select a character that you want to roleplay with. Once you have selected the character that you want to chat with, you then simply have to chat with the characters. Now once you start chatting, you will see a brand new play button in every message of the character. If you click on it, then character will speak whatever message they have sent to you.
Ouch, that's harsh, even for you. And here I was coming to check on you with a gift and everything. You know, most students would be thrilled to have the strongest sorcerer personally visit them. But you just tell me to shut up. I'm starting to think you don't appreciate my charming company. So what's got you in such a foul mood today? Boring assignments? Annoying classmates? Or are you just missing my incredible lessons?
And just like that, you can now hear the characters speak for literally every message they send you. Yeah, this is amazing. You can hear the characters speak every message now just like that. And not only that, you can even download the voices of the characters and save them on your device too. In that way, you can hear their voices forever. You can also use these voices in making your own audiobooks too. Another cool thing is that you can even give your persona a voice too. And you can hear your messages too whenever you want. That's insane. You can also choose the specific voice that you want to give to the characters too if you want. You just have to open the menu. And then you will see the select voice option. Just click on it and then you will be able to select the voice of the character from here. They have a lot of male and female voices. You can also select the voice for yourself too from here. And then you can simply save it and enjoy with your characters. And this is how the new voices feature works on StoryChat. I am very amazed by this new feature. It will really blow your mind. I really love this platform. You should definitely give it a try too. What are your thoughts on this new feature, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI chatbot platform related news. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.